Did you know that 65% of people are visual learner? That means your visual can make or break your presentation. And today we are going to make them unforgettable. Welcome to the world of PowerPoint like you have never seen it before. Today I will show you how to create jaw-dropping glitch art effect that will take your slide from basic to brilliant. Let's start with transforming ordinary image into glitch style masterpieces. These are all thumbnails of my videos which I have rotated and arranged like this. Now select and group them separately for better control. Go to the Animation tab. Select Line Animation. Click on Effect option. Choose Right. Drag the red point to adjust the path. Then set to with previous and increase the duration to 10 seconds. Set Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0. Use Animation Painter and apply the animation to the second group. Repeat the same for the third group, but this time select Left from Effect option. This creates a cool moving grid of thumbnails. Here is what it looks like, super smooth, right? Go to the Home tab. Insert a new blank slide. Right click, go to Format Background. Pick a dark background color. I have created a glitch style picture display. So let's paste it here. Now go to File, click on Save As and save this image as a JPG. Open your browser and search for Photomosh on Google. Click on here and upload your save image using Load File. Enable Jitter, reduce the speed. Enable Bad TV, decrease Thick Distort and Fine Distort. Increase the roll speed for more drama. When you are happy with the effect, select the GIF option and click Save. Head back to PowerPoint and insert the GIF you just created. Click on Format Picture and set the transparency to 40%. And boom, you have got a mesmerizing glitch effect embedded right into your slide. Today, you learn how to create custom glitch effect using thumbnails, animation and tools like Photomosh. A perfect way to capture attention and boost engagement. Now, it's your turn. Try out this effect and let me know in the comment which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint design tips. And if you really love this video, hit that super thanks. It keeps us motivated to bring you even better content. Thank you.